Okay, now let's try to find the value of x here. Now here actually now you can see here we can make this both 9 and 4 has a powers, right? So I will make that first of all. So here 9 mean I can write 3 to the power 2, and 4 mean I can write 2 to the power 2, and then here will be x, right? And now you can see here something connection here. Here we have 3 over 2, here we have 2 over 3, opposite, but okay. Now what we can do, here we have same index, no, I mean for this 3 and 2 we have 2 has index, here also index is 2, here also index is 2, so that's mean these two same, no. When you have like that type of situation, you can write for the 3 over 2 and this both index same, no, so you can write here 2. You can get this index to outside the bracket because this both index same, same number, so you can get out. And but already there was here what the x, right? You can think like this, so here 2 over 3. Now this 3 over 2 has 2 index, no, 2 and x, so you can multiply these two, right? That means here will be 3 over 2 and 2 into x, here will be 2x, right? Here just 2 over 3. But now like my previous questions, here not like same term, right? Here 3 over 2, here 2 over 3, different, no? So what we can do to be same here, if we get here minus index, for example, think if you got like this way, 2x over y minus 2, minus 2, you can make this to positive if you get the reciprocal of this. That means y over x, now this will be plus 2, right? If you get the reciprocal of this, numerator numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator, like that, then it will be positive. You can do this opposite thing also, no? This thing, when you have positive, you can make to negative if you get the reciprocal of this. So the same way here, what I will do, I need to make the same like this, no? So that's why I will get the reciprocal of this, right? That means 2 over 3, but I need to change this one sign. That means here plus 2x, no, I have to change, I must change minus 2x. I need to change this to minus 2x. Now it's okay, right? Try to understand this connection. When you have here negative index, negative index for a fraction, we can make it to positive if you get the reciprocal of that fraction. So same way, if you have positive fraction, positive index for a fraction, you can make reciprocal of that, and then you need to put the negative sign for the index. So here what I did, that thing, right? Now you can see this both side same. Here also 2 over 3, here also 2 over 3, and this one index you can think like 1. There's no index now for that, so you can think as 1. Okay, now you can tell like previous question, but here also 2 over 3 the base, and here also 2 over 3, so that means they tell here equal, no? That means definitely this negative 2x must be equal to 1. So here will be negative 2x equal to 1. So how to find x? Both sides divide by negative 2. So here answer, final answer will be x equal what this 2 to 2 cut, here will be what the negative half, right? So that's the final answer, x equal negative half.